Hey you, yes you. Do you want to learn how to become a Minecraft YouTuber and not those lousy 6-year-olds no editing raw footage videos? Well, obviously you did. You clicked this video. No intro for today. So today, Ow, but it's true, you should. But talking about that, wanna know how to get these? So, as you can see, in my editing software these clips on the timeline are green. That's because they are green screens, including that plane crash thing I just did 20 seconds ago. Now, to get these, just find some websites to get these. The ones I put in this video are free and need no credit at all. Now it's time to say how to get any image of anything in Minecraft. Go to this link to get literally anything, just like I said. You can search up green dye, and you get it. With green screens and this combined, you can do this. You can also use TTS like I do. Wait, stop saying what I'm saying. No, please stop. Use all of these effects, and enjoy your editing experience while your video does not look trash. Goodbye my streamers.